Your hair will grow in a wild way thanks to this. Although the industry declares that it is not possible to achieve real hair growth, there are currently several ancient home remedies that many people have tried and proven their effectiveness. In the end, it is best to test the remedies and make a personal judgment. Although many experts argue that it is not possible to accelerate hair growth, there are several popular home remedies that have passed from generation to generation for it. The only way to check if they really work is to try them out. Today we go with a home remedy for hair growth, which many women say does work. Ingredients: 1. Cream of chestnuts. 2. 1 tablespoon of tarragon powder. 3. 3 tablespoons of cranberry juice. 4. 3 spoonfuls of sunflower oil or coconut oil, flax oil, sweet almond oil, optional. Preparation: 1. Mix 1 tablespoon of tarragon powder with a little blueberry juice. 2-3 tablespoons of this will be enough to make a paste. 2. Then add 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil and 50 grams of crushed roasted chestnuts. 3. Mix all these ingredients together until a smooth paste is obtained. Instructions: 1. Apply this mask to dry, unwashed hair. You should apply only to the scalp. For extra shine you can add a little sunflower scalp oil or coconut oil, flax oil, sweet almond oil to the hair length. 2. After applying the mask, put on a shower cap and then a warm towel. Leave the mask on the head for about 3-5 minutes, depending on how well you can cope with the heat. 3. It is recommended to use this treatment once a week, in a period of 5-7 weeks. Tarragon will give a strong warming effect. In addition, it will increase blood circulation in the scalp, and thus trigger hair growth, thickness and shine.